Hey, what would it do, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Moultrie, and I'm here to talk about my process in which how I created the beat "Bands on Me" that you can find on my new beat pack that just released that I've been sending to everybody's DMs and emails and text messages and stuff like that, right? So bands on me, and this is my process. Not all the time, my process change a lot, but this is the process that I use and I use often. So I go through. I start with trying to find a sound. You know, what I'm saying something that intrigues me. And then once I find that sound, which was this sound here, I found like a rhythm, and then I drop a rhythm, and then from that rhythm I start maybe saying stuff. You know what I'm saying? Finding a rhythm, saying different. I wouldn't say freestyle or nothing like that. I really ain't saying that. But you know, just finding a rhythm. You know what I'm saying? Saying different things in different patterns. And then I didn't drop it yet here, but I think I put like some drums or kick drum first. And then I went on here and I dropped the vocals, bands, rain on me. I just kept saying something with bands. It just started coming out, right? Started like formulating.
Bands in the street, bands in the meat, bands in the street, bands in my jeans, bands in my feet, bands in my teeth, bands what I speak, bands you can't teach, bands in the meat, bands
You know,
in
so
the
I,
street,
I did all
bands
that,
right
and
on,
then right
bands.
after I did all that, the drum pattern and everything, then I found the 808, and I immediately put the 808 right on in there. And the 808 just pretty much certified the bands. It just made the bands just stand out, you know, right?
Bands when I speak, bands when I keep, bands. Bands you can't teach, bands in the meat, bands in the bands.
Right, so once I did that, it was like, all right, well, let me find what else. So I thought I wanted to find like some more drums and different things, but I jumped right back into trying to help with the melody. So I found like another instrument from the woodwind section, and I decided to go ahead and try to add a little melody, you know, try different things. And I found this one that was pretty simple, and I laid it out, and you know what I'm saying. Then you know, just keep on going from there. to like tone it down. Like once I still have that groove, if I'm moving, I'm grooving, I'm feeling what's going on, and it matches with the vocals, and the vocals is matching with the beat. It's like this is complete. I'm just gonna go, I'm done. I can level now. I'll probably start chopping it up and just finalize the beat, or even go into creating a song. So yeah, that's my process. Moultrie beats. Let's go.